Pag-usapan naman natin magkano ang penalty kapag hindi nakapag-file ng tamang taxes. Let's just provide example.
Kapag hindi ka nakapag-file ng taxes, tatlo ang madadagdag sa'yo na penalty. Una, meron kang surcharge, which is 25% yon ng tax due mo. So, halimbawa, meron kang 1,000, 25% nun. Meron ka pang interest na babayaran, which is 12% naman per annum. So, ibig sabihin, yung 1,000, computan nila ng 12% times ilang months kang or ilang years kang delay.
So yung 1,000 is the payable.
Payable mo na tax due.
Yun yung basis.
Yun yung basis. Okay? Next is compromise. Okay? Yung compromise naman is because the government would like you to settle na magbayad ka na lang ng penalty. Meron kang 1,000 up to 50,000 na penalty. So, yung 1,000 to 50,000 depende sa tax due. So, halimbawa, 1,000 to 5,000. Ang compromise mo doon, 1,000 pesos. Okay? So, overall, kung ang penalty mo, or kung sabihin natin kung ang tax due mo ay 1,000 pesos, pwede yung maging 1,500. So kung sasabihin natin na malaki ang tax due mo, like for example, 20,000, possible na maging 30,000 pesos. So, magbayad ng tamang tax, magbayad sa tamang oras para makasave at makaiwas sa penalty.
So in summary, sa penalties mo, kailangan yung tatlong yun babayaran.
Yung tatlong yun ang babayaran mo. SIC, surcharge, interest, and compromise. So don't be sick.